In tomorrow's class, I will show you how I created this account today. Okay. Today I just went it like that, right? In 1 minute 44 seconds I created, right? So tomorrow I'll be telling what are the options I've decided, which location I created, okay, and what was the storage account, what was the security, and how if you delete some files, how many days it will be active. All of this I'll be telling tomorrow. So tomorrow we will be recreating this entire storage from scratch. Okay, that will be the topic. And as and then I've told you, this course is for the people who know Power BI. You have joined Azure and Fabric. We have done with 5 free classes. Okay, from tomorrow, if you want to join this course, you have to pay the fees of 10,000. Okay, this 10,000 will be the fees for you, including Power BI license plus Fabric license. And you'll get it for 120 days. Okay, so this is a fees for tomorrow. People who already know Fabric, people who already know Power BI, because Power BI and SQL we have already covered for this batch. So this is just like a new admission we are taking. People who already know Power BI can directly join here. So we have already completed the 5 days free session. From tomorrow onwards, it's going to be a paid session. You can reach out to our team. Our team can help you to get paid. Or if you really want to pay it on the website, you can do it. Please go to your website, log into your datavision.com and log in here, log in with your email ID which you have signed up. This is for the people who want to buy directly from your portal. Go here, explore courses. You can search Fabric.
Under paid sessions.
Paid sessions, okay. Paid sessions. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so you can go here and you can pay from here as well. So people who are willing to do here, you can do it. Or if you really need to talk to our team once, please go to the contact information. You'll get the number here and you can try to have a conversation with our team, and then also you can pay. It's completely your wish, however you want to pay. But if you want to pay here, you can go here and you can pay for it. Okay, so this is with only for Azure and Fabric. From tomorrow, it's going to be a paid class and the fees is 10,000, including license. Still, you need any clarification? We can clarify your questions right away now.
Santosh, I have a question.
Yeah.
So how depth we are learning fabrics here?
Sorry?
I mean, we are learning fabrics here, right? So how depth we are going?
How depth we are going? See, Fabric, you can do a lot of things. You can build machine learning algorithms. You can do data science. You can do data engineering. You can do everything. We are focused only on data analytics. So the one project at what we are going to do it in Azure, the same project we are going to replicate in Fabric. It's just 1 year old. So for our role, right, for a data analyst role, whatever is required, we are going to focus on that.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, Azure data engineering is different.
Azure data engineering is different, data analytics is different, data science is different. If you want to gather the data from the different data sources and do the data cleaning and data transformations, we focus on Azure data engineering. So Azure data engineering, you have to know SQL, you have to know big data, and you have to know Python, and you have to know PySpark. And you will be learning Azure, which will be learning around 12 services. Okay, this is what AD comes. Now, if you talk about data analytics, where you will be knowing SQL, where you will be knowing Power BI, and where you will be knowing Azure. In Azure, maximum you can know up to 4 to 5 services is enough. And along with that, you have to know Fabric. So this is a difference between data engineering and data analytics. So you are into this role now. So you are into this role. For this, you have done this, you have done this, and you'll be learning now, followed by Fabric. So this will give you a very, very high package because you are learning coding. This comes with a limited coding, so it will be a moderate package.
So this Power BI is the prerequisite for this course, you're saying?
Yes, yes. You have to know Power BI before coming to this. If you don't know Power BI, you can join from first. When I say from first, you can join from SQL. Again, you will be teaching Power BI, and from there you'll be teaching Azure, and then we will be teaching Fabric. So you can join from first, which will be starting somewhere in the next month, a new batch where you can learn from beginning. Or if you want to get this now, you can get it now. You can learn and you can go with the recordings, but that may not work for you because for this course, that what we have started last 4-5 days, the prerequisite is SQL and Power BI.
Yeah, or else you can do one thing also. Power BI is morning by Ritesh started recently. So you can join Power BI there and Azure parallelly you can learn. It's up to you.
Yeah, that also you
Okay.
can do. Morning you can cover up Power BI, evening you can cover up Azure. That also will work.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other questions?
And how better would be the job chances, Santosh? Like when we compare it,
Job transition in data analytics?
not transaction. How better would be our career if we go for this course?
See, as I told you, Power BI is now become like an Excel that everyone is knowing, right? Only Power BI may not help you. Even I'm telling in my own team itself, I have a lot of Power BI developers who are on bench, who don't know Azure, who don't know Fabric, they're on bench, right? So there are a lot of Power BI developers, and nowadays company needs multi-skilled. Company needs multi-skill. You need to know multiple things. So knowing Fabric, knowing Azure, and knowing Power BI, tomorrow you can easily transit to a data scientist or even data engineering because you already know a bit of cloud, right? So knowing cloud will definitely be a very much boosting your opportunities. And if you know cloud, you can definitely crack any role in data analytics, particularly Azure is a very must used in most of the companies because of the pricing as well. It's a second highest, but still usage wise, a lot of companies are using Azure. It's a Microsoft product. So opportunity wise, I can guarantee you, but you need to know all of this. All of this. You need to know Fabric, you need to know Azure, you need to know Power BI, you need to know SQL, which can boost up your opportunities. Only Power BI, you will not get it.
Yeah. Thank you, Santosh. Thank you for the clarification.
Forget about IT. Okay. Forget about IT. Uh, today, just today, this happened. Okay. My maid, okay, my maid who lost her job today. My mom is saying, no, I want a maid who does cooking, who does cleaning, who can clean the house, who can do everything. My mom is expecting a person to know everything. Okay, usually we had a maid only for washing vessels. Okay, she was doing only that. And literally today, my mom is saying, I want a maid who can even do a cooking as well as doing everything. A maid itself is losing a job because she knows only one skill. And what we are all educated professionals, and companies can easily replace us. And if you are in the mindset that only with Power BI I'll sustain, I'm sorry to say this, IT is not your path if you want to learn only one skill. Literally, this happened today. The maid who's doing only one work, my mom is saying, no, I don't need this maid. Get another maid who does everything. From morning to evening, she has to do every work. So life is like that. Competitions is there. Companies are looking for multiple skills, so you have to know multiple things. Knowing cloud will definitely boost your opportunities. With that, we'll stop here. For tomorrow's session, you can pay from your portal or you can reach out to our team. Our team can help you to understand better.